Civil engineering is everywhere. It's in every road you drive. It's in the clean water you drink. It's where you live, work, and play. It really is all around you. Civil engineers help to improve the life of millions of people every day.
Hi, welcome to our interview. We are Carlos Incapié,
Lisa Fernanda Moreno, and Tatiana Varela.
and today we're with the professor Philippe Chang. He is from Canada, and he is a professor from Universidad Nacional de Colombia, sede Manizales.
Why do you think that civil engineering is important in the world?
Well, civil engineering is a basic technical field that impacts how people live, how people work, and it involves structural engineering, hydraulics, it involves the environment, geotechnical science, geomatics. So it's really how people live and how our cities, our communities are built.
Why did you decide to study civil engineering?
Well, actually, I ended up studying civil engineering because my father thought it would be a good idea. But in the end, what I think is actually really great in civil engineering is that beyond doing calculations and the details of the designs, in the end, you actually see the buildings go up,
Yeah.
the tunnels come through. You actually see the results of your work. It's practical, it's visible.
The next question is, why did you decide to go through the water line?
I ended up applying for a master's degree, and my supervisor actually thought that it would be great to study hydraulics because there was a heavy part on in math and calculations. So actually, I ended up studying hydraulics because the tools, the method for actually studying the phenomena, it involves heavily math science.
I'm Carlos, and I'm going to tell you just a little bit about the importance of the civil engineering in this world. The civil engineering is named by the American Society of Civil Engineers as the mixture of all the knowledges, maths and physics to improve the quality of the human beings, and it's related to this career started a long time ago when people started to look for shelter and all those kind of things like the need to home, and nowadays we keep on doing the same thing. We keep on building things just to make easier things. It's thanks to the civil engineering that we can go anywhere in the world, that we can see huge skyscraper, and that we can do many things. All that we can see in this world is designed or done, or at least has all the knowledges about the civil engineering. Thank you.
I chose civil engineering because of my dad. I have to tell you that my dad is the most important person of my life, so his opinion is really important for me. When I was a little girl, he used to teach me maths, and when I was at the school, I was really good in maths, so he thought that an engineering would be the best option for me.
Hi again. Do you remember when the professor Philippe Chang tell us why he decided to go through the water line? Now I'm going to tell you something about me. I would like to go through the roads and transportation line. During my 3 semesters at the college, I have seen subjects like topography and geology. I felt a huge affinity and curiosity with them. I think that these subjects are related with roads. In recent decades, there has been a significant growth in roads and transportation. That's why I want to improve the roads development of my country, Colombia.
Civil engineering is the pleasure of creating something together. It's the pleasure to bring smart, efficient, and economical solutions to the society challenges. The new generation of civil engineers want to create, not simply to recreate.
The world runs around civil engineering. We have a power that few people see. We can create the world that has never existed.